for the streets when the lights get dark. It's unconditional when the robbery don't stop. Tell me when your loyalty is coming from the heart. Tell me who your loyal to. Do it start with your woman or your man? Do it end with your family and friends? Or your loyal to yourself and the fans? I said, tell me who your loyal to. Is it anybody that you would lie for? Anybody you would slide for? Anybody you would die for? That's what die for. Shit, I'm geek and fired up. All I want tonight is just get high. All I want is loyalty.
Alright, YouTubers, check it out. I got this Ninja. This is my third Ninja. I got this one from off-road for $400, which I couldn't refuse. I already had my first Ninja as backup since it got dropped twice by the homie Money. Thanks a lot, Money. That's right, I got you. Anywho, I got extra parts, so I'm transfer it into my other Ninja, and let's get it started. So here we go.
Getting ready to do the engine swap. That don't look good. I'll fix that. I can't fix that. Alright, YouTube. I already know how to download it from my IG, but follow my IG and you can see all my stories, so check it out.
Got my new project. I still haven't finished my other ones, but I got another project. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, you didn't help me out or what, motherfucker? Yeah. I'm back. Yeah. Alright, check this shit out, IG. So, that fool couldn't start it, the last owner of this bike, because it has a new ignition. And then inside the ignitions, it's supposed to have one of these little resistor or ohms, because the computer was reading 12 volts at all time. It needs to have 10 volts. If it sees 12 volts, it thinks it's getting high wire jack, you know. So this motherfucker drops it down 10 volts. So check it out. Oh yeah. Oh, she's smoking.
That's when she finally came alive.
Well, she's alive.
She's Riley.
Trying to fix the little bugs here and there, but knock out on this. Ah, shit. She on fire.
Original engines came with no bueno.
Little bit of rattling. That's no bueno. Sorry, I got an extra part. I got extra motor, piston. Damn, that shit's smoking. Can't do that shit. Shut up. I'll fix it. Don't even trip. Ah, shit. Smoking too much.
And that's after the swap.
There you go, pinches borrachos. Oh, that's my beer.
Some bomb ass crystal. Go beer don't got that. Yeah. And that shit is after my daily driver. Yeah, boy. And there you have it. Alright. So last night, I changed the sprockets. Put on the new sprockets. New chain. There's the old shit. I got the new shit. No, last time that shit was fucking... It was horrible. Alright. Check it out. Condition of the chain. That's after it's warmed up. But when it's cold, it gets stuck at a certain point. Like, right there. So every time I was riding, it was like a crazy horse or bull. It was just going. Let me show you real quick, please. Alright, got the new chain, sprockets, let's install them. Now, ooh, look at that shit. I swear, I never rode a bull before, but that's how it was, I'm pretty sure, riding that old chain that it had. Pretty sure it was sitting down for a while. Anywho, every time I was rotating or driving, I swear, if I had my hand up, it looked like I was riding a bull, like, that's how I was going. Which was not cool, but, you know, I was just excited to drive the baby. I drove one a couple of years, and, like I said, ain't nothing gonna hold me back. I'm driving in the conditions and going from that. And here we are. Slowly but surely. At the Thanksgiving YouTubers. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my shit. So, result status. It's Iowa. Get that trophy. The next thing to do is, I need to figure it out. I'll put my key in it. Because, unfortunately, this shit don't have no gas gauge. So, I go by mileage. How much miles that have I made since the last time I put gas in it. And let me tell you, if you know about the Spaghetti Bowl up in Vegas, yeah, I got stuck there going up that. Coming down on 15 south, heading down 95. Ran out of gas. Like I said, it was meant to be because I found somebody with the gas tank parked in the side. So I got lucky. Somebody got somebody. Santos.